So recently, someone asked me to show her how to properly clean a dishwasher. Today, I will walk you through step by step using simple items that you already have at home, like baking soda, vinegar, dishwashing soap. First things first, make sure you empty the dishwasher by removing all the dishes and the utensils. Remove the top and the bottom racks to have full access to every corner. To remove the top rack, look for the little staff that hold your rack together, press on it and release it. I am using AG dishwasher machine, so yours might be a little bit different, but just look around, you will find it. Then remove the bottom rack as well. Step 2 is to remove and clean the filter. Now the filter is usually located at the bottom of the dishwasher. Look at how gross it is. I left it there because of the request to wash it. So I want to show how nasty this can be. Now I am spraying my Dawn power detergent spray, and I'm adding baking soda to remove the smell, and also white vinegar that will help to remove every odor from the machine. My next step is to fill the sink with hot water and also use some of the baking soda, soap, and also vinegar to wash that gross filter. You can also remove the filter because there's a little stuff there. Remove it and soak it. Our next step is to go ahead and scrub down the dishwasher. Make sure you get every corner. If you have access to brush, because it's longer, so that will help you to scrub it well. Some using this brush to scrub under and every side to make sure this is well clean. Do not forget to scrub the little rubbers at the edge because food or other stuff, greases can also accumulate at that side. Scrub until you are satisfied or you know that your dishwasher is really clean. I use baking soda and vinegar because this combo is magic. It frees up and help break down greases, greens, and odors. Dishwashers do a lot of work for us, and they deserve a good deep clean every once in a while. Now once everything is clean, I'm going down with my Microsoft cloth to wipe down the entire machine. I am using the Microsoft cloth because I want to make sure every part of the dishwasher machine is clean, and also to take any excess. Sometimes you might just not know whether it's well clean or not, but if you wipe it down, you are taking every other particles, anything that is left, you are removing it. It's also a good time for you to wipe down the rag holder and the little stuff there. Make sure the water that is accumulated down there, you get inside that hole and you remove every little water there. Just put the Microsoft cloth there, it will soak all your water. We do not want to put a clean filter in a dirty water. Next is to make sure we really scrub the filters. Scrub, make sure you remove every little thing from it. If you think the bigger brush is not doing the work, you can go ahead and use a little brush to clean it, because the little brush can go to every corner and remove every grease, every thing there, and make your filter really clean. At this point, I will ask you to like and subscribe and comment if you find this video helpful. If you think this video gives some value and is helping you to make your next cleaning, please go ahead and like, subscribe, and share this video with your friend. Now back to our scrubbing. We are giving that really fine mesh. That is the filter. That is the main filter. We are giving it a good wash. Scrub until you know that this is clean. Sometimes you have to rinse it and look again and make sure it is really clean. Get a little brush. You can use a toothbrush, which is good. The toothbrush that you are no longer using, I beg. That is really good. So to scrub it down, scrub every corner and make sure this is clean. Once this is clean, we have to go ahead and give it a good rinse. Rinse every little part of this. Make sure it is well rinsed, so the soap that we use, the baking soda, nothing is stuck on any part of the filters. Now once you're done, you can put it back. This part is very important, that you are able to put the filter correctly. Make sure you fix the little stuff first, and then you put the flat filter or whatsoever it is down. Look at your filter. It have a direction where you can put it, and then you will lock it. Look at the arrows and make sure that it's click and you know this is firm and it's well fit. If not, the next time you wash, your filter will not work. Now is a good time for us to replace our top rack. We're doing the top rack first so we can get a lot of space. When you are replacing it, make sure the little metal fit in well. Your dishwasher might be different from mine, but it's the same process. Once you get it done, remember the little rubber stuff we remove. You are going to look at it and fix it. Make sure it is fixed. If not, the next time somebody roll or remove that rag, the rag will come off straight away. So I look at it and I fix it well. Also, we are replacing our bottom rack. That one is easy just to put. Yeah, so and then I will go ahead and run the dishwasher on a high heat. What I'm doing is I put in the soap, dishwasher soap, and I pour in a cup of white vinegar. This is to help to give it the final clean. So I'll find a nice place and stick this into. Soap is already there. So once I run the dishwasher on a high heat, this will give us a final cleaning and make sure our dishwasher is perfectly clean. I will wipe down the front of the dishwasher to make sure it is sparkling. Please, that is the end of this video. Once the dishwasher finish running, you have a perfect clean dishwasher. Now if you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.